Hey there, my name is Dimitri from Testimonial, and welcome to a transformative journey where we explore how Testimonial.to can revolutionize your online presence. In a digital world where authenticity and engagement are key, Testimonial.to offers a unique solution to showcase real social media interactions on your website. Whether you're a business owner, marketer, or content creator, understanding how to effectively integrate social media testimonials into your site is crucial for building trust and enhancing user engagement. Imagine a website that not only looks great, but also resonates with your audience through genuine social proof. Testimonial.to makes this possible by seamlessly embedding TikTok and YouTube videos into your digital space. So Testimonial.to stands out for its simplicity and effectiveness. It's all about enhancing your website's trustworthiness and appeal with real videos. Imagine your website's enriched with engaging testimonials from TikTok and YouTube, directly influencing visitor trust and engagement. So firstly, you would create an account with Testimonial.to to get things started. And the next thing you would do is navigate to the dashboard and set up your space. This is where your collected videos will live. And after this, you can install the Testimonial browser extension in the Chrome, Edge, or other Chromium-based browser Chrome stores. So this is essentially the initial setup to get you started, which is incredibly user-friendly. It's a very simple process, and the idea is to prepare your account to start collecting these really great social media videos right now. With your testimonial account ready, let's focus on capturing those TikTok videos. First of all, just to state this plainly, TikTok videos can be a goldmine for social proof. It's a very popular platform right now, and capturing and displaying them on your site can really boost engagement and credibility if people are posting about your product or service. Envision your website displaying a bunch of these videos. It's absolutely amazing. So to get started, you would open up TikTok and find a video that you want to showcase. Next, in that video, you can right-click on the video and select Collect Video using the testimonial extension. Lastly, you'll see how these videos are stored in your testimonial space. You can actually add specific tags to them, see whether you want to add it to the wall of love immediately, and go through that process, rinse and repeat. Lastly, you'll see how these videos are stored in your testimonial space, ready for embedding. So we've seen just how straightforward it is to bring TikTok's vibrant community to your website. This process not only enhances your site appeal, but also builds a bridge between social media and your primary online platform. Now let's extend our reach to YouTube, another platform rich with user engagement and great videos. YouTube videos provide diverse insights and testimonials. Integrating these can broaden your website's appeal. I'm sure you've seen reviews of plenty of different people about products and services on YouTube, and picture your website filled with a bunch of these from all over this amazing platform. So firstly, in order to get these into your website, you'd head over to YouTube and find a video that resonates with your brand. The next thing you would do is right-click on the video and use the testimonial extension to save it. Finally, you can see that you can add tags, same thing with the wall of love as mentioned prior. And finally, you'll see these videos in your testimonial dashboard, ready for the next step. So we've just explored how Testimonial.to can harness the power of YouTube videos for your website, similar to TikTok. And this integration, similar to TikTok, fills the gap between those videos and your website. So with your collection of videos ready, the next crucial step is embedding them into your website. Embedding these videos directly into your site not only enhances its aesthetic appeal, but also showcases real positive feedback from social media. Imagine the impact on your site visitors when they see lively TikTok and YouTube videos prominently displayed endorsing your brand. So firstly, you would navigate to the Wall of Love section in your testimonial dashboard, and you can choose the style for displaying the videos and copy the provided embed code inside of there. And then after finishing all of that, finally paste this code into your website's builder HTML editor or code editor and publish the changes. You can also embed individual ones as needed too. And we've essentially just witnessed how you can go from having no videos on your website to plenty of videos on your website. This not only adds depth to your website's content, but also solidifies your online presence with tangible proof of customer satisfaction and engagement. We've journeyed through this step-by-step process of getting the Testimonial TO dashboard and wall of love you have connected with all of these great videos and then put onto your website. And now that you've seen the transformative impact of Testimonial.to, it's your turn to take action. To support our content, make sure to leave a like, subscribe, and download that Testimonial.to extension to get started with amazing testimonial integration on your website today.